Welcome all. It is Bob at Two Pops Breaks on Thanksgiving Day, Thursday, November the 23rd. We're breaking the Bound Box full size helmet. So one boxer. We did random team sales on your left. We've already randomized teams, customers, alphabetized everybody. Gave them a couple minutes to trade. Had a few offers. Nothing went down. Before we did any of that, though, we randomed up our 17 remaining numbers. 18 is what we got. So we're going to do our reveal, and then I'll grab the helmet, guys. So here we go, folks. Sorry, hands are so damn dry, I can't grab it. Here we go, guys. Well, bam, folks. Gonna be one of our cash boxes there. It's only the second one, guys. We're more than halfway through our series. And that was only the second one we've hit. They had to come out at some point. Going to be a Rams $300 room credit. Also going to be the Chiefs with a $50 room credit. And last but not least, guys, Bengals are gonna get a $50 room credit, folks. So not a bad cash box value wise. Alright, who has Rams? Rams. Gonna be Hans. Hans got some playing money now. Alright, Cincinnati. Well, gonna be Joe. And last but not least, the Chiefs, fellas. Well, gonna be the Jody, guys. Well, I'm very sorry, everybody else. And I'll have golf either tomorrow or Saturday, guys. Like I said, it just depends on the shipping with the holiday, everything, on whether it gets here. But I'll have golf and such in tomorrow. Whoops, let me show in my envelope. Nothing left. Nothing left in our envelope there, folks. So Hans are gonna get the Rams $300 room credit. Joe Hofdahl gonna get the $50 credit on the Bengals. Matt Jody gonna get 50 on the Chiefs, folks. We're gonna do our Josh Allen qualifier real quick. Thank you for helping fill that, everybody. I'm sorry to the guys who did not win. There's a few of you got in a losing streak. G and Dog both there could use a hit. Alright, so one of Joe's comes out. One of Hans and one of Matt's. Alright, here we go, guys. Top two qualified for the end of series giveaway of the Josh Allen Chrome Flex, folks. 9 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. Well, Matt making the most of his spots, and Gigi gonna get the other one, guys. Let's believe that is qualifiers 45. Yep, 45 and 46 on the qualifiers. We got 16 boxes left, y'all. Still a lot of nice hits out there. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, even Kick. 8 p.m. Central, y'all. Bob at Two Pops Breaks. Stop on by and join us. Alright. I forget if we're down to 4 or 3 cash boxes. Yeah, I'm very sorry, dog. I've been trying. Believe me, I wish I could get you guys a hit. I don't know what's going on. Whoops. It's gonna keep, and I'm assuming you're gonna use your credit there, right, Mud? Alright, let me get some guys' credit straightened out here real quick, guys. Alright, so Matt. 50 Joe. Matt's keeping. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're all 18, Matt? After your credit, you'd owe 18. Should Matt's credit back off there. Keep two for Joe. Thank you, Lone Star and Joe.